Congratulations! You're engaged. Now comes the exciting part, planning your dream wedding. But let's be real, wedding planning can feel overwhelming, time-consuming, and expensive. Between budgeting, booking vendors, and keeping track of every little detail, it's easy to feel lost. But what if you could plan your wedding like a pro without the stress or the hefty planner fee? Introducing the DIY Wedding Planning Kit, the ultimate guide to your dream wedding. Your specifically you wedding planning kit designed to help you organize, budget, and bring your vision to life, whether it's a stunning local celebration or a breathtaking destination wedding. With 12 months of expert guidance and 51 easy-to-follow modules, you'll have everything you need to plan with confidence. Why choose our DIY Wedding Planning Kit? Save thousands on planner fees. Stay stress-free with our easy guided process. It's fully customizable for all wedding styles and budgets, and it's an instant download. Plan anytime, anywhere. And for a limited time, we're offering a discount for the first 100 couples. Don't wait, your dream wedding starts now. Your wedding should be as special as your love story, without the stress. Let's make planning fun, easy, and unforgettable. Order now and start planning instantly. Download your DIY Wedding Planning Kit today. Have questions? Contact us at ddw.wedkit@gmail.com. Your dream wedding starts here. Let's make it perfect together.